Alright, just getting set up here. Need to get the chats working. Activate. There we go. Hopefully, let's see if hello world. If it shows, does beautiful. And can I get my can? Nice. What more? There we go. Let me just do a little bit of promotion. So, did the music just cut completely? What happened? Or am I? All right. Is this because I'm speaking and my headset? No, doesn't seem like it. Okay. Good. Let me grab the stream here really fast. Gonna share it. Twitch and YouTube. Factoring and stuff. And updating. Deploy, create UI. And links below. So what do we want to do? Twitch.tv at MBV Labs, and there we go. And right now I can't hear any music. What are you doing, Rasmus? And do I want? Yeah, let me just get Twitch on this one as well. Why does the music keep cutting off? I mean, shouldn't. I don't know if it's my headset. There we go. It keeps stopping. Do I have sound on my... Having some... Yes, come on. And I'm having a little bit of a technical issues. That is awesome. Let me see really quick. Yes. Close. Yeah, later. Yeah, no. Good. And that's also fine. Where is the... Okay. Alright. I don't know what happened, but I think we are back now. Welcome back to the motherfucking lab. So today I need to continue doing some work on the UI here, which should look more like what we have in this one. So that is the plan. And what do I want to do? I have show. I'm gonna make this into page, and then I'm gonna add page fragment. It's gonna return a string. Occasion show page fragment, and I'm gonna wrap. And like this. Is AS, right? And then in controller application, this just makes my life a little bit easier if I want to update the entire page. And so page fragment, yeah. All right, and it's still, yeah, to do this. Now it should, and we are back. So what do I actually want to do on this page? Right, sorry about that. Right. So in server, we can just grab from the show here and I don't need this signal step anymore. Right, and Right. And then I think I'm gonna move. The breadcrumb, I don't really need that. Should probably do it on the 3000 port. And do I have? And get rid of these. Get rid of this for now. Right. And I did something else in the server. Right. Do I want last updated? Not really. So let me get this one out of the way. So I kind of want to maybe mimic Heroku's setup here. So I should technically have another column here for review apps. And then I could have like releases. Yeah, that could be the way to go. Right. The border is going to be outline. Don't want any. Like this, and then we hover. Yeah. Right. Don't have rounded box either. Where was the... I want the... right, I don't have batch anymore. Do I? I can't remember if I ported that over. I do have the batch, okay. The name is... should just be normal. Yeah. Here we go, get rid of that. I think that's good. Yeah. I think for this purpose it's probably fine. I have more information I can add here. I can also squish it a little bit more. Probably, okay, yes, the delete is not hooked up, that's okay. There was recent releases. Right, I want one more, like this. To this. Right. And should probably have done this before copy pasting, but I don't know. Here we are. And this one. Great. And let me do production releases. Right, and then in controllers, I already had. What's what the hell have I done here? Okay, so instead do this, get rid of this. No, that's it's gonna be a little bit. It's gonna be a little bit dirty. Right. Guess this is just gonna be what's staging. And then instead of name. Yeah. Production. And get rid of this. Right. In the show controller. I get all the releases, right? Yeah. So I just create a staging, production. So that down here, we say staging, releases. And And what more? I've been a little bit lazy. I should just do this in the database, I know, but fuck it for now. So I literally only use this to set the latest release. Yeah, all right. So we do get them sorted, and then we do staging. Yeah, this is gonna be quick and dirty. So I can get some users onboarded. Gonna say staging releases. Here we go. Good. Completely destroyed it. Show strap, right? So we don't see anything. Right. What the fuck are you talking about? What are you on about? This is never used. What am I doing wrong here? I don't see it. Range bit of nil slice. This will probably help. Thank you. So the only thing I really would like here potentially is to have a button. Again, trying to mimic Hiruko would be something like promote right. Power BG primary and power text primary foreground. And then ideally, I'll probably just throw a data attribute disabled. Yeah, I need to do a better work in the with the controller passing the data. This is quite obvious. So that I can determine if the deployed version is different. So it's gonna be true for now. It's not gonna implement it. But ideally if the deployed version is higher than this deployed version, we should be able to promote it and trigger a deployment. But for now, I just need to do the delete, but I'm also a little bit lazy. Where is the delete? Yeah, let's just this. Disable that for now. And fine. Disable, please. There we go. Yeah. Shouldn't really need to have that in a div. Guess the same is true here. Yeah. And then I could technically add some nice, like I could add the health checks, stuff like here. Yeah, I think there's some interesting elements that can be added, but for now it works, so that's the important thing. Next step, this page. So let me jump out really fast and do a format. And that done. Right. Did I turn this one into? Nope. Right. Yeah. And then what do I actually want to do with this? Right. I need to have a note because I just realized my render fragments method is wrong. Yeah, that should be it. Now it's loading. Do I? So I have a lot of tabs. This is the ones you can see right here. That just updates the UI, but doesn't but doesn't change the URL, so I can't really point to like a specific tab, which is annoying. So I can actually link to a specific release from here. Would be nice to be able to click this one, right? So what I'm gonna do instead, DC. I forgot what I was about to write down. What the fuck? Right. Right. Let's get back into this one. Right, let me get this one and let me get that one. Environment show. No, this is wrong. This is the show I want. And then the next one, let's just replace that. So we have the whole screen real estate. Right. Get rid of the old text-based content with text foreground. Foreground, please. And then I should have a bunch of border base 300. There should be border outline. Good. And I don't actually want to show the IP here. Okay. Just do BG, what was it? Card, I think. And then we have the environment tab container. Yeah. How? Get the tab lists. Inline rounded box, we don't have that anymore. We don't have BT base, so guess card for now, and then the rest is fine. Come on, pick up the changes. Something is not existing. Text primary foreground. There we go. Looks ugly as fuck, but it is working. So I guess the next thing I would do is go to the environment here, and we have this show. That should also get updated. It would actually be super nice to get this one fixed. Where do we have the API? And which is app prefix, yeah, plus application prefix, right? And then application slug, and then environment slug. And get rid of this. Slug. Yeah. And now I have a bunch of things that are not working. That's fine. And then let me say tab string tab right. Where are all the issues? In application resource. Routes. Right, and then in hotel environments. Yes. Get all of this replaced with all of this. Right, it's not all of it, right? More stream viewers, AI viewers, thank you for that. Exactly what I'm looking for. More fucking AI. Can we, yes. Ban him. Okay, and now we have fuck me. This is tedious. Is that the last of them? Hopefully. No, you still have controllers. We're back. You're not back because the show. I have so much cleanup to do in this one. Yeah. What is the... Right, so I have a bunch of query params. We can combine that later. But for now, I think it's better just to do routes. Still have issues. We don't have any results. I'll be failing here. Yeah. And why is that? Params. Right. It helps to actually have the correct params. Good. So. So, so what do I actually want to do here to make my life easier? This one, because we have the controls, can actually get updated. Okay. I am going to be removing this. And then instead of details, where do I have the details? I'm gonna be doing ES dots environment name. Let me just do text base. Regular staging here. And then the edit button is actually not hooked up right now. No, that should be fine. Controllers, environments. Right. So we have the logs and all these query params that I am going to ignore right now. Right, and then I still have this fucking edit button. Where the hell? Edit. Okay. So there is an error somewhere. So this should be fine, right? This free music is so bad. It's crazy. Yeah, next one. Get rid of this, get rid of this. Right. Oh. So I can always target the tab container, right? Right. So the tab here should just go to a regular one. And this one should be removed. And then tab should be deploy. Secrets and what? Finally we have releases. So now click click nothing. What am I holding wrong here? Okay. Right, tap. Right, and I'm not even getting to it. No. And that is because it's expecting. It cannot be optional. So if I go to, I don't know, overview, then we, yeah, okay, so that's then we can go to deploy, right? I still can't click it for some fucking reason. Okay. That's fine. Then we need to do this on params. Tab instead. Kind of have what we had before. Yeah. That one doesn't work because it doesn't go to overview. Could I just be lazy and do this? Tab, and then this one is simply then we should have what I want to write. And then this one needs to be... where is the... Right, and we are not. No, 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 no. Fine, 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 fine. Then we just do overview and get this one away. Controller environment. The update one. Yeah. Environment, show params. And it's not really right, but it's all right for now. Good. Deploy, where is it? So this one should go to deploy, right? Secrets releases, but we get and I do lose the whole smooth updating. That's a little bit annoying. How long I've been live for now? An hour 28. Yeah, so if I want to treat it as I should probably, but then I lose all the this view is annoying. Alright, I shouldn't be able to do this, but let me just URL does not return a string. What are we complaining about? I mean, this it's definitely not true. What am I holding wrong here? Right, that probably helps. Yeah. That's exactly right. Alright, I am gonna take a small break and think about how I actually wanna construct this view. Because I have to do a lot of push state if I wanna keep this in data star. Which is not really ideal. Yeah, gonna take a break. Probably gonna be back again a little bit later.